Have you ever wondered why the water in your fridge smells and tastes like fish simply because you put a fish near it? Or have you ever wondered why the water in your fridge smells like pineapple simply because you just put a pineapple in your fridge? Well, I have experienced this, and I'm pretty sure that a large majority of you guys must have experienced this also, which actually prompted me to find a solution, okay? Which I'm going to be sharing with you guys. And guys, the most interesting thing about this solution is that it is really very cheap. It is what you have around your house. So you're basically not buying anything. First of all, what you need is a tissue paper, a toilet paper, and then you need baking soda and water. That is the three major things that you need, and I'm going to be showing you how to use it pretty soon, okay? So what you want to do is get yourself a bowl like I have already and a spoon, okay? In the bowl, add a little bit of water. I already have water in mine already. And then measure 1 full tablespoon of baking soda and then measure another one, which is two altogether, okay? You need 2 full tablespoons of baking soda with water. And you just want to mix it very, very well. If you've watched this video up until this point, up until this moment, please be sure to give this video a massive, massive thumbs up. Please click on the like button and also subscribe to this channel. If you find this video very helpful, then you might as well want to share it with your friends, your family, your colleagues, as the case may be. So, guys, what you want to do after mixing the mixture very well is to place it on the two edges of the toilet paper like I'm doing right now. This is the first part, and then you turn it to the other side and put the paste on it. So guys, please be sure to watch this video to the end because I have another trick for you that you wouldn't even know in 1,000 years, and which I know will be very helpful to you. That being said, okay, mixing baking soda in water will make it onto bicarbonate, which is what we need in order to neutralize the odor that these foodstuffs give to our water or liquids in general. You don't want to entertain your guests with water and then it's smelling like fish. Okay, that's so gross. You don't want to give your guests a apple drink and it's tasting like pineapple drink. Okay, after you might have put the paste on the two sides, then you put it back into your fridge. It is as simple as ABC. It is as easy as ABC, okay? And then you have it. Your food no longer tastes in your water. This automatically neutralizes the odor from your fridge, and it doesn't contaminate anything, okay? So don't be scared. It doesn't contaminate anything and it has no side effects, okay? Now on to the next trick. Nothing is as messy as seeing your soap soaked in water, right? It is so gross. A lot of people can't even stand it. I personally do not like it, guys. Can you see how messy the can is? The soap already stuck inside the can, and I know a lot of you must have been looking for a way around this, okay? And then I bring it to you on a platter of gold. So basically, what you need is just two rubber band. Yes, you heard me right. You need just two rubber band to stop this messiness, and I'm going to be showing you how to use it pretty soon. If you've watched this video up until this point, up until this moment, please be sure to give this video a massive, massive thumbs up and click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. And then if you find these tips helpful, please click on the share button to share with your families. So what you need to do now is to put the rubber band on both end of the soap can or soap case, as the case may be. I've successfully put it on one part, and then I'm going to put the second rubber band on the other end, which is what I'm doing right now. It is pretty easy, it is pretty simple, and it is cost effective. As always, my tips and tricks are always cost effective. You don't need to break the bank, okay? You basically do not need to buy anything. And then you just want to put the soap on it. Ta-da, guys! This is the most interesting trick I've seen, okay? And there is no way on earth that you would have thought about this Okay, if I didn't bring it to your knowledge, you definitely would not have thought about it. And I'm seeing you right now saying, hmm, why didn't I think of this? How come I didn't know about this? No worries, you're excused, okay, which is why I'm here. Of course, if you did know about it, you wouldn't click and you wouldn't watch, okay? So, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video, okay?